Everyone's heard of Japan's traditional cuisine, sushi. The best-known sushi is slices of seafood on mounds of hand-pressed rice. The natural stickiness of Japanese rice ensures the pieces retain their shape. Sushi rolls are wrapped in sheets of dried seaweed. These can also be quite thick, containing a number of fillings. Much of Japanese rice is grown in Chiba prefecture. Chiba farmers have a 200-year-old tradition of making a unique kind of sushi roll. These special thick rolls are served at ceremonial occasions and special celebrations. Different coloured ingredients are arranged to make pictures and words. Naturally, all the ingredients come from local farms. Chiba is also famous for egg production, and these rolls are often wrapped in egg instead of seaweed. The colourful rolls have become widely known, and people come to Chiba just to learn the technique. This design represents a camellia flower. Here's a cherry tree in full bloom, fireworks, and waves breaking on the shore. Imagination is the only limit. You have to try for yourself to understand how interesting it can be. I get lots of people telling me they want to make these rolls for their grandchildren. This is the home of a Chiba family that has grown rice for generations. This is Mitsue Koizumi. On my first birthday after I married into this family, I came home from work to find that my mother-in-law had made one of these beautiful rolls for me. I was really moved. It made me so happy. Koizumi is about to make celebratory sushi rolls the way her mother-in-law taught her, using rice and vegetables from the family farm. She adds a little colour and sweetly sour flavouring to the rice. The filling is a complicated mix of brightly coloured ingredients. And finally, she firmly presses everything into a thick roll. Today they're celebrating the coming of age of Koizumi's granddaughter. Brightly coloured flower patterns to enliven a joyful occasion. It's delicious. It was worth all the effort, just to see the smile on her face. Crafted with love, a special treat, still enjoyed by families of Chiba.